Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a business email account to Gmail. Now, if say for example, you're using your personal email like what I have right here and you want to integrate your business email, then this is how you're going to do it. So what you're going to do is head over here and then click see all settings and then accounts and import. And we're going to go ahead and click add mail account under check mail from other accounts. So this is referring to your business email. Go ahead and click that here, and then what you're going to do is basically just go ahead and enter the information here and then click next here. And then usually in this case, since it's a business, you won't be able to link it with Gmailify. You have to click this one right here, click next, and then what you're going to do is basically put all the information right here. So the username, the password, the pop server. For the pop server, you might have to contact that business email account of yours, or the, if say for example, if it's from Google or Microsoft. So once you've done that one, go ahead and click add account right here, and basically from that point forward, any message that you have or any emails that you have sent or received from that particular account should be coming here as well, just like what I have in here as an example. So yeah, that's how you're going to add business email account to Gmail.